Okay, you guys, I know y'all have seen me put up laundry and stuff in my clean with me videos. So right now I am going through a declutter. So this is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of right here. This is stuff that we're going through. This is all the hangers that I've taken stuff off of and gotten rid of. That's a lot. And then I guess there's some more down on the floor. There's some stuff I've thrown away. So I know y'all see a difference with, you know, you can see space right here. It's just tubs, no clothes, all of that. So I got my shorts, my leggings, my pants, my cover-ups, and then I'm gonna go through and organize this some more with long sleeve, short. I have all of my blazers and stuff right here, and then I got dresses here, and then my 2 pajama sets there. So we went through Babe's stuff. His stuff used to come to like right here, and now it's just that. So I need to figure out how to organize these shoes, because this is definitely a walk-in closet, and it is big enough for 2 people. I'm a firm believer in that, and you know, we just have too much stuff. Like I just did this. I probably look a hot mess, y'all. I just did a going through a lot of stuff and getting rid of stuff before we moved here, which was in October. Let's see, October, November, December, January, February. So 4 months later, and I'm already getting rid of some more stuff. Like, that is a lot. So yeah, I feel like every 3 months or so, maybe even about every 3 or 4 months, you can get rid of some stuff. Like, for real. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm about to go through his pants, and yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, y'all, so the pile has gotten bigger. I went through his pants, and I found another. Sorry, that's my sister on the phone. I found another dadgum tub of clothes, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so annoyed. I thought I was almost done, and then I found some more dadgum clothes. So I'm about to go through this tub. This is all stuff going away. I just got a trash bag for it. This is stuff I need to fold and put up. And then these are all the hangers I'm getting rid of. The hangers that are empty, I have right there. I like the black ones. Eventually I'll switch to the velvet once we move and we have a bigger master closet. And I'm gonna eventually switch out these white ones, but I just want to keep the black ones. I'll keep y'all updated. This is a tub I had emptied out, and then I found another daggum tub. Like, ugh. Alright, y'all, so this is the final result of all the crap I'm getting rid of. And then that's the trash bag of clothes I'm throwing away. So all of this, y'all, this don't make no sense. And I just did this in October, like 4 months ago. So this is my side, and this is his side. And then I just have my scarves and stuff right there. Nothing on the floor. Those tubs right there. I got that tub cleaned out. So now I just need to figure out the shoes up top. Look at them boots about to fall. Yeah, that aggravates my soul. So I gotta figure that out next. But the clothes was just the beginning. So I'm excited, y'all. I will keep y'all updated. Okay, y'all, I'm wrapping up for today. This is 2 trash bags. Trash bags full that I'm donating. And then that's one to go in the actual trash, and I have an empty tub. So this is what we got. This is what we have so far. Clothes have been going through. Now it's the shoes that's next. So far these are the shoes that I'm getting rid of. I had already did a massive declutter before we moved in October, so but this so far is what I'm getting rid of as far as shoes. And now we're about to put his shoes up. Obviously this is not a permanent solution, but this will get the job done for right now. It looks decluttered, it looks organized, it doesn't look all over the place like how it did before. So this is how we're gonna leave it for right now, and then when we move we'll have all the space we need. So I got all my boots, flats and tennis shoes in there. I got the shoes that he wears out, mostly out, and all the other ones, shirt shoes and all that, put up. So that is it for the closet. So for the bathroom, I'm going to be decluttering this drawer, and I'm going to be organizing it with this tray that I got from Target. I'm going to be going through my bucket and his bucket for the bathroom.
Call back. Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not. Do you ever respond? Explain it all again, again, again. Tell me why you don't wanna be friends. I guess not. Baby, no, I don't wanna go. You know how much I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Wishing and wishing we'll end up together, you, oh you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place, just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again, just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you. Be with you, be with you, be with you.
Okay, y'all, so don't mind my dirty kitchen in there and these clothes right here for laundry. That's for another clean with me video that I'm doing. So this is for the declutter video. So babe had got a whole bunch of glasses and stuff from his job for free, and I mean, it was tons and tons and tons and tons of glasses. Like, I think he still has like 2 boxes in his trunk. But I just got to thinking, like, it was taking up a lot of space in our kitchen, and like, we only have, you know, so much space. And so like, I don't really use these no way because I can't really reach them. This is like a little mini pantry. Down there's pots and pans. That's the silverware drawer. That's the tall bottles, like syrup and stuff like that, that can't fit in the spice cabinet. And then this cabinet over here is supposed to be for glasses and plates and stuff. But what ended up happening was we had so many glasses that we had filled that up, and this up, and I was like, okay, no, this ain't gonna work. So I did a little decluttering, y'all, as y'all seen, and I have this full area here where I can now put my plates and bowls and stuff for easy access. And then these are the cups that we use the most, and then there's some glasses up there and then some in the back that he uses. So that is so much better. Y'all don't even know just how much having this little space will help. So the next spot is to take care of this crap down here. I ain't ashamed to show y'all. Y'all know we end up throwing stuff around. So I need to organize this down here, because what ended up happening was plates and bowls and stuff was going down here too with the pots and pans, and it's like, that's not gonna work for me, honey. So I'm gonna be getting rid of some of that stuff too. And you guys will see that process. Now a little storage area outside. Yes, that was a hot mess. But I got that TV and that other little folding chair out of the way. We don't really sit at the table that much, but we do have 3 chairs here. So Babe uses that chair for when he's like playing the game or whatever. So I'll leave that over there. And then if we do need it, I can move it over here. The goal is to have these waters be able to go in this closet right here with the paper towels and toilet paper and stuff like that. Because I don't like just having this out in the open. So for right now, so it ain't so high, I may just put it in 2 stacks. And then leave it like that. So these are going to go to Goodwill. I'm going to donate these because we just simply don't need them. And we still have a lot left. What I did was I kept 6 of each kind. And this is how much I ended up getting rid of. So yeah, you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking right now. I have the plates on the bottom and the bowls on top. I had got both of these sets from Target, but I like neither one. So with these, you can't put them in the microwave because they'll do that. So yeah, they look like a good idea. They was a good price, but and then these, you can see they're not even really flat anymore. Like, the bowls are okay, but like the plates, I don't know if y'all, like, they're not flat anymore. Yeah, it's like microwaving them is, I don't know. But I don't really like buying paper plates because it's like, why spend money on that? But these, like, they don't, I don't know, y'all. So I'm probably gonna go buy some new regular plates and stuff. We have like glass plates and stuff that we use for special occasions, but I mean, I'm not gonna use them on an everyday basis. So this is what it looks like for right now, but I'm definitely gonna be switching that out because I don't like these 2 sets.